So I'm working on the rotating can pantry system. This is the next step, and what I've done so far is, you can see I've got another one by here, and then a stripped half of one by here as a catch. Then I've got a kick plate, I guess, kind of like a one by that's been cut. These are 4 inches and 5/8, each one of these, and you can see slot 8, 9, 10, etc. There was a couple of them that were off just a little bit, so I just kind of made sure that they were the exact same. And what I'm doing is, so like, say for example, 8 goes in here. You see I've got a little bit of a gap here, and I left that there so it has a nice little resting spot. You can see there's that gap. Then what I do is I take my nail gun and I'm putting one in the corner, basically of each. That way it's not going to move in any shape or form. Got my Roomba here. It's kind of, I don't know why it's going right now, but regardless it is. And that's what I'm doing all the way down. I do have all of my, I guess, railings put in. Every time that I put one of these spacers in at the bottom, the kick plates as I'm calling them, this is getting sturdier and sturdier and sturdier. I have approximately, I'd say, 5 nail spots in each one of these, yeah. Then I've got to figure out, once I get done with this, the next thing is I'll put a plate up on the top, but I got to make sure that my cans will still fit, you know, easily, and go all the way down. So I should be getting ready for some sanding and for some caulk here pretty soon. I'm just going to put some nice caulk in there to, you know, kind of hide some imperfections, and put some wood putty on some of these screw holes. Just kind of finish it up to make it look awesome. So that's where we are right now with this rotating can pantry system.